What's in my purse? Hi, you guys. It is Daquila Lachey. What's up? What's up? What's up? Anyways, let's get this thing popping, okay? Today, I'm going to let you guys see what is in my purse. Well, my purse is, I had to take some of the stuff out the big purse and put it in the little purse. So, let's go. We got my little wallet. Gotta go everywhere with this thing. My little wallet. Deep conditioner. A comb. A charger. I have a charger in each purse. Hot chocolate. Oh my god. Don't tell nobody. My selfie stick. Helpful pick, bruh. It picks out the fuzz. You know, you get a little demonstration. Your curls popping, you know. Okay. Pop them curls, mom. Ooh, my foundation. It may look a little bit light, but you see these spots right here? It fills them in so perfectly. My mascara. Can't go nowhere else without that. Have my eyelashes on fleek, boo boo. Okay. Nail polish. Okay. Lipstick. Ooh, what kind is this? Bewitched, boo. I don't know if you've seen me wear this in other videos, but it's my go-to. Crayons. My son loves to draw, so whenever I take him somewhere, I have to have these crayons. Red, yellow, and green. My necklace. I love this necklace like the back of my hand. It goes with me everywhere. Bow ties. Who doesn't go anywhere without their bow tie? Okay. Now raise your hand if you have a lighter in your pocketbook. I do. I use these to burn my hair. I have another. Ta-da! I like this one, but it ran out so quick. They're my favorite colors, you guys. My phone case. I don't know why. It's an old phone case. So, I like it because it's my favorite color. It's still in there. Nasal spray. Don't ask me why. More lipstick. This one is Mysterious. A piece of tissue paper. I don't know. Don't hurt me. My car keys. Car keys. Jiggle them keys like a G. Jiggle them keys like a G. Oh my god, you guys. My voter sticker. Well, you knew I voted. And I did not vote for the president of now. So, I'm dealing with it. What do I have in number 2? Okay. Deodorant. Headphones. Your healthy headphones. I had 2 pairs, but I messed up. And I dropped them in the water. Lip gloss. My lip gloss is popping. My lip gloss is cool. Lotion. Can't live without that cocoa butter. Medicine. That apple saucy. Apple saucy. Okay. For my son. Toothpaste. But here's my big tube. I carry this one around. Like, I buy one of these so I won't have to carry my big tube. So I leave it in the bathroom. I got one of these. My permit. Look at me, Ma. Look at me. I was looking like, who did it and why? Toenail clippers. Fingernail clippers. You can't go nowhere without them. Body mist. that pomegranate Listerine. I got to keep that. Hand sanitizer. Or my lipstick from LAC. It is Torrid. This is the one that I mainly be wearing in my videos. My lipstick is popping. My lipstick is cool. Yes. And last but not least, my toothbrush. I just took it out the container, but my toothbrush. Let me put it back in the bathroom. Toothbrush. My other wallet. I keep a wallet in each. Each one of them has an identification card. Or, well, no, not an identification card. One of them has my permit, and one of them has this. And this has my high school diploma, little version, and it also has my CPR license. Yes, boo-boo, yes. And it also, one of them also has my library card, and the other one, like, I have a big Kroger card and a little library card. So just in case if one gets lost, I still have the other. See, the library. Also, same, Medicaid. They each have one in them. Yes, boo, yes. That will be all, you guys. That is what is in my purse. And you know what? I am happy to say this mommy right here has less junk in her trunk than she thought. Anyway, you guys, thank you for watching my video. Please give me a thumbs up. Let me know if you like. Thumbs down if you don't like. Comment below. Like, share, and subscribe. You guys, I'm here for you if you're here for me. Let's do this together. If you want to sub for sub, let me know. I will give you a sub. You don't even have to sub back. I will give you a sub, you know, because I'm always interested. Oh, my face. I'm always interested in a new face and a new person. You can just tell me what you think about my videos. Bye.